Yo, what's good, G's? Have you guys ever sucked ass at wheelies? Me too, bro. I've sucked ass at wheelies my entire life. Pull up the clips, bro. I'm just fucking trash. Like, I can't seem to get good whatsoever, bro. But today, I got a solution to that problem, bro. Today, I got the EBOX Dragster Wheelie Bar, bro. I finally got the Wheelie Bar after waiting for it for so long. It finally came back in stock. Bro, this is to just like help you not loop out. So when you're doing a wheelie, you don't loop out. Let me show you real quick. And I've been waiting for this wheelie bar for so long. The moment has finally come. The moment has finally come. All right, yo, let's go. All right, yo, let me show y'all what this thing can do. Yeah, so that's what it could do for someone that like knows how to wheelie. But if you're just trying to learn how to wheelie, all you gotta do, bro, is just hit the throttle, right? And then just go all the way back. Go all the way back, and then eventually you can. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm slipping off the seat. The last thing I want for this bike is the street tires. I'm here with the homies right now. Got a Razor, Suron, fully built. Oh, yo, show me some work, Kai. Show me some work. Come on. How about like a one-hand no throttle side? Try it then. Look, I'll try it. I'll try it. Oh, oh.
Rush my pen like Van Gogh with a brush. If it ain't about some paper, there's nothing to.
Bro, my guy's got the UGG. My guy wild. You wild.
Get a million, but keep it on the hush. My pen like Van Gogh with a brush. If it ain't about some paper, there's nothing to discuss. My pen like Van Gogh with a brush. Hustle till I get a million, but keep it on the hush.
Yo, you can get sketchy with the wheelie bar.
Yeah, I thought you get a little wobbly there.
Dude, that was wobbly, bro.
touch. It was good, bro.
Let's giddy, bro. Yo, look at it, 2-hand touch. Holy shit, 2-hand touch, bro. Bro, my boy's got the Altus Sigma, bro. I'm still yet to make a video with you on that thing.
Yo, you trying to hit some jump? Huh? Yeah. Hit that shit, yeah, see me jump.
Why would I ever drop it with the wheelie bar, bro? There's no point in dropping it. Hi, how are you? Damn, that dragster. This was supposed to be a wheelie bar video. Now we're hitting jumps. Someone show me a fat jump.
You gonna hit jump on that?
No, you show me a fat jump. Let's see what this Altus Sigma can do on these jumps, bro. Oh, yo, the homie's about to try out the wheelie bar, bro. Probably try it out on a flat surface. Damn. You never tried out a dragster, huh?
Fuck no. Oh my god.
Yeah, so
how well does this thing work? Like, is it foolproof?
bro, it's like foolproof, bro. You can just
on it, it'll still throw me back.
do a complete wheelie, bro. Just completely loop out and watch. It's just gonna save you.
Bullshit.
No bullshit, bro. It's gonna completely save. Well, not like that. Like, calm down now.
No, it does though. Hold up.
Try a normal wheelie though. Try a normal wheelie. Full wheelie, like control it. Control it. Control that shit. Hit it. Yeah. Anybody can wheelie this bike. Anybody can wheelie this bike. How did you feel about the wheelie bar, bro? How did you feel about it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
How did you feel about it?
My bike, 10.
Oh, yo, now Sebastian's about to try it out. Hit that. Alright guys, so I got these gloves on because I'm about to hit a no-hander, bro. I'm about to destroy these gloves. Hold up. That wasn't locked in. I got this. Hold on. Hold on, here it is. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Hey, you got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh. Damn it.
Not the frame, bro.
I just ate shit, bro, on the dragster, you know what I'm saying? I was trying to do a no-hander, but... Alright guys, I just ate shit on the dragster. Homie didn't even get it on film, bro. He just like passed by it, bro. Didn't even get it on film, but now we all good though. Like, hopefully I'll get redemption on that no-hander eventually here soon. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. You guys need to get a wheelie bar, bro. That thing is insane, bro. That thing is literally gonna help you do wheelies like a madman. I was doing no-handers like crazy, but I crashed out. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll catch you guys later.